Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your password on MetaMask. To change your password on MetaMask, first of all, open the MetaMask application on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged in or signed into your wallet as well, and once you're inside, go ahead and click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the settings menu, from where you'll need to tap on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, scroll down and look for Change Password button and tap on it. Now, enter your current password in the next page and click Confirm. On the next page, write down your new password you want to change to for your MetaMask wallet. Confirm the password by re-entering it again on the next field. And finally, click on this little box at the bottom and click Reset Password. You will then be able to change your password on MetaMask wallet. You've successfully changed your password on MetaMask. Keeping your wallet secure is super important, so always use a strong password and never share your secret recovery phrases with anyone. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.